Hello, third graders. Sorry that we're not doing live together today, and I apologize for not being there at school today. But as always, we must keep the show rolling, correct? I thought I'd do a very easy lesson today in reading. I thought I'd talk about facts and opinions. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to look at Mrs. Collier's flip chart. All right. So, facts and opinions. Well, facts are statements that can be proven, true, or false. Ways to prove facts is to ask an expert. And we talked about experts being people that are experienced in that. So if I ever want to talk to someone about being a good 3-point shooter, then I would speak to an expert like Stephen Curry, because he would be able to let us know what would it take to be a person who can be accurate in shooting the threes, right? And then I can research on a computer, and that's that. You know how we type into Google and ask Google questions, and those of you that have, I think it's called a Syrian, ask Syrian questions. Those are those research that we go through in the computer, whether it's computers where, in the computer where we're looking for a dictionary in a computer. Anything that you can type in the computer that can give you the information that is true, then we're proving it to be a fact. We can read a book. So if I'm reading a book about dogs, they're giving me information about dogs having 4 legs, different types of dogs. And so that's going to prove any statements that could be, proven to be true. And of course, going to a library, looking up information in a library. Now, opinions. Opinions is an expression of a person's feelings that cannot be proven. Like Miss Collier makes the best sweet potato pie. Well, the word best is that opinion, like it's someone's feeling, because you may say, my mama makes the best sweet potato pie. So again, that becomes my feelings. And so what happens with opinions, you start hearing people, it sounds like it's an argument, like, because no, I think chocolate cake's the best. No, I think strawberry cake's the best. Oh no, I think white cake is the best. And so you hear people talking that way, but that's their feelings. You can't prove which is the best because it becomes a person's personal opinion. I think we should practice on some. What do you think? All right. So I'm going to read a few, and then I'm going to drag it to either facts or opinion side, and then I'm going to explain why it's either a fact or an opinion. Okay. Dolphins can live in both salt water and fresh water. Well, I know that I can go look up how can dolphins live, or where does dolphins live. So I can go to the computer. This makes this a fact. So I'm just going to drag this over under facts. Okay. Gary Paulsen is the best author in the world. Well, I think Joel Osteen is. So I'm going to drag this over to an opinion. But guys, I'm going to circle the word best. Oops. Let Miss Collier underline it. I'm going to underline the word best because best is someone's opinion, like their feelings, right? I just told you who I think the best author is in the world. You may have a different author, okay? All right. Gary Paulsen wrote the book Hatchet. Well, I can go look up Gary Paulsen's books, and if I look up I can find that Hatchet is one of the books that he wrote. So that would be a fact. The closest star to Earth is the sun. Well, I can go look up I could type that in the computer, couldn't I? Yes, of course. Or I can just look up books about planets. So this is a fact. So we're going to drag this to that side like that. Okay? The stars are breathtaking at night. This becomes someone's opinion. And the word that made an opinion, and let me change this color here, is breathtaking. Like somebody else may be like, the stars are okay. It's not all of that, like breathtaking, right? They may say they're pretty, but they're not breathtaking. Again, this is someone's feelings, right? So this makes it an opinion. Okay, let's go look at this one. Camping is for everyone. Well, y'all want me to be honest with you? I'm not trying to do any camping, so it's not for me, right? May not be for you either. So this becomes an opinion. The opinion word that I'm going to underline is everyone, because it's not for everyone. Okay? Camping is for those people who love camping. And I can tell you now, I've been camping and I'm not going to say it's for me. Okay? All right. Let's read the next one. Over 100,000 wildfires occur in the U.S. every year. Well, you know what I can look up in the dictionary? I can go find a book about wildfires. I can go into the computer and type how many wildfires occur in the United States or U.S. And so this becomes a fact. Okay? And then dolphins are the smartest mammals. Well, I can type in and see if dolphins are the smartest mammals. But what I could do is I can type and say smart is mammals. And they may give me a whole bunch of different mammals. Well, I don't know if you guys know it, but humans are mammals. And so I'm going to think I'm smarter than a dolphin. Don't you think you're smarter than a dolphin? Yeah. So in our world, on land, I'm going to say humans are the smartest mammals. But dolphins in their world, which is the ocean, it may make them A. So this is just a quick lesson on facts and opinion. I'm hoping you're paying attention. Sorry again for not being there today. Hope your headphones are on and you're listening to my teacher model. Okay, so here is your assignment. This is going to be in your Google Slides. All you're going to do is place facts on here or opinion on the lines. I would like for you to underline the words that helped you, if it's an opinion, helped you understand if it's an opinion. So again, it says, tell whether each sentence is a fact or an opinion. So in your Google Docs, you're going to create a text box and you're just going to put facts, opinion, facts, opinion. If you put F or O, I'm okay with that. I'm all about that not working too hard, okay? So if you want to put an F next to the sentence that's in fact and an O next to the sentence that says opinion, it's up to you. You don't necessarily have to write out fact and write out opinion. I hope this lesson was helpful. Remember, it's about facts and opinion. Facts are statements that can be proven, true or false. And opinions is someone's expression, someone's feeling about something, and it cannot be proven. All right, guys, I see you on Wednesday. Thank you.